Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to animate maps and create this nice looking engaging visuals inside the map. And I'm going to use the plugin of GeoLayers 3. If you want to try out this plugin for completely free, you can go ahead and click the link down in the description. You get 2 weeks of a free trial within GeoLayers, and if you want to purchase the GeoLayers 3 plugin, actually right now there's a 25% discount. If you go ahead and click down in the link in the description, you go ahead and type the promo code CYBER for the month of November, you actually have a 25% discount. This is a really expensive plugin, and if you are thinking about buying this plugin, and now is the time because it's not going to be any cheaper than this. Use code CYBER, all caps. Now you go ahead and once you've downloaded the plugin and you got it inside of Adobe After Effects, you go ahead inside of the window, click extension GeoLayers, then it will open up GeoLayers right here, and you go ahead and click new project. Now let's say I want to create a project of the United States. Go ahead, type United States, create. Now let's say I want this type of map, let's say a big aerial map. I go ahead and open it up, and once it's created, you go ahead and see this nice map. Go ahead over to the United States by just dragging it here in the GeoLayers 3 panel. I can see the United States right here, and basically let's say I want to go ahead and get the state of Texas. I go ahead and type Texas right here in the search engine, click the add to browser, go ahead and select the color that I want for this. I want to fill, right? I go ahead and pick the color that I want. Let's say I want a green color with a bit of a stroke. I want a white stroke, and I go ahead and select this and click draw feature. And as you can see, Texas is right here. Let's say I want to now start off with the United States like this. Go ahead and create a keyframe. Go ahead 1 second and zoom in and create this nice look pan. Right, Texas right here. It zooms nicely and it stays there. It automatically creates keyframes, as you can see, by going to a different place in the timeline and zooming inside of the GeoLayers 3 panel. Let's say I also want to add a text right here, right? I go to the top, zoom in a little bit, type Texas. Make sure that this is actually above the shape layer right here, because I want the text to be above it. And now I go ahead and customize it the way I want. And now since I want the text to stay, because if you take a look at this, now if I want the text to stay on the Texas country shape layer, I will have to actually create a 3D and parent it to the map anchor. Basically, this is what happens when I don't, it stays not pinned to the anchor. So what I do is go ahead and select United States map comp anchor in the parent and link. Then I go ahead and click 3D. If you don't see this, go ahead and click toggle and switch modes, and then you'll see this and do the exact same thing that I did. Now, when you go ahead and take a look at this, you can see that the Texas layer will actually stick onto the Texas country layer. Watch this. See, it stays on the Texas, and if I want to go ahead and pan this once again, I can do that again, and it will do just that. And of course, you can change the stroke if you want to. If you don't want a stroke, you can go over here and cancel out the stroke, or if you want to change the color of the stroke, you can do that also. And this is just a really powerful plugin. If you want to create these nice looking geography type content and animations, this is the ultimate plugin to do so. If you want more examples of this plugin, you can go ahead and look inside of my channel and see various videos inside of my channel that will actually get you to understand this plugin and really maximize your potential within this plugin, because this is a very premium and exclusive type plugin. I mean, if you're really interested in creating these geography type maps, this is the plugin to go for. And right now 25% by using code CYBER. Click down in the link below and you will get taken to the authentic website. Go ahead, code CYBER for 25% off, $80 off. If you want to download this plugin, now is the time to do so. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.